Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making Taiwanese beef noodle soup. Now the reason why I chose this dish is because ever since I can remember, my mom would always make this dish for whenever I felt under the weather. And guess what? It always hits a spot and brings me back up. So today I will show you how to make it. First ingredients is broad bean paste. Next is beef cubes, some rock sugar, some pickled mustard, some green onions, and dark and light soy sauce. We also have tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and onion. We also have some beef shank, and last but not least, the spices. Alright, so let's get cooking. So go ahead and grab your pot of boiling water. Now go ahead and add your beef shank, and you're gonna boil this for about 2 to 3 minutes just so it plumps up. Alright, so it's been a few minutes and you're going to take it out and you're going to be chopping it up into nice big chunks. Alright, so let's start chopping the green onions. Save the green part and the rest you're going to be using it for the stock. So chop it up and move it aside. And with the rest of the ingredients you're going to be cutting it in half. Same thing as the tomatoes, the onions, and the ginger. Alright, so grab a pot with oil and we are going to caramelize all of our aromatics. Give it a quick stir and this is what you're looking for. Now go ahead and add your broad bean paste. Give that a quick stir and it should look something like this. Now this part is optional, but I always like to add it whenever I can. So give it a little splash. Stir it up a bit. Now add your rock sugar. Give that a quick stir and finally add your tomatoes and stir it around. Alright, so we are going to be pressure cooking this, so go ahead and grab all your ingredients that you just sauteed and throw everything into the pot. Now pour some water until it's about 2 or 3 inches above the ingredients. Now grab your pressure cooker and set it to 40 minutes. Alright, so let's make some noodles. 250 grams of flour, 5 grams of salt, and 125 grams of water. Form it into a dough and let it rest. Now that the stock is done, we're going to be fishing out the beef and we're going to be straining the stock. Make sure you get every last drop. Now with equal parts light and dark soy sauce, you're going to season the stock. Give it a quick taste and you're good to go. Alright, so now that the noodles are done, it's time to put everything into a bowl. Here I have some chopped mustard, some cilantro, sliced onions, and green onions. And there you have it. Mix it up and enjoy. How about some ASMR? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.